In the Californian desert, there are spider flies. They organize their lives so cleverly that other species babysit their offspring. Here, for example, the female has dug a hole and laid eggs. After 6 weeks, the larvae hatch from the eggs, but there's desert all around and no food. They need collective thinking and a detective's flair. They climb up a dry grass stalk and stay on top of it. Their task, to wait for the transporter. A male bee flies up, pulled by the scent of larvae emitting a pheromone like a female. He lands for a date and is covered from head to toe with larvae. The shocked bee takes off, but finds the real female and mating begins. The larvae crawl over to the female and she returns to the mink with the uninvited guests. In the mink, the larvae find paradise, plenty of food and defenseless bee offspring. They first eat the pollen and then the bee larva, giving themselves a great start in life by deceit and trickery.